Hello, my name is Divine Selassie. Welcome to my first tutorial on ACL Foundation for Beginners. This course is aimed at all those who wish to become ACL users or want to use ACL for their data analysis. In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to create a project in ACL using ACL for Windows Launcher and then using ACL AN11. So let's quickly look at an overview of the ACL for Windows Launcher. This is how the new interface looks like. You have your recent analytic files here, which shows you all the files or all the ACL projects you've worked on. And then on the create section here, you have create new analytic project, new workflow. This is your ACL analytic project which you will be creating very soon. And then this is a GRC workflow. And then you also have the open category here, which shows you your open analytic project, open analysis app, and then open GRC project. ACL has now integrated a lot of projects or a lot of products into just one interface. Below here you also have your launchpad and then your help and training. All these are quick links that can help you access your launchpad or your help and then your trainings. These are especially for those that have their launchpad access. In the launchpad you can have access to your inspiration, your script hub, your ACL Academy, which also has a lot of courses that you can also study. Knowing this overview, you want to go straight to how to create our first analytic project. So if you want to create your first analytic project, you can go straight to your create new analytic project. So we click on new analytic project. This dialog appears here, which tells us where do we want to save our analytic project. Where do we want to save it? So we select a location where we want to save the project that we want to create. You need to create a folder which will hold the project that you want to create and then the files that you'll be working with. So I want to go and then save mine on my desktop, so I browse to my desktop. Then I have my folder here called ACL data. I open it. I have a lot of other projects in here, but I want to create this new project inside a different folder. So we create a new folder. We name it my first ACL project. Then you click on open. Click on open. Then you provide your name. This has to do with the name of the project that you are trying to create. How do you want to call that project, so that anytime you want to do your review, you can always reference or go into that project. So here I type the project name as my first data analysis. Then I click on save. Once you click on save, your project has been created. Your ACL project has been created. Now on your left hand side you see the name of your project. This is your project navigator. So once your project is created, you will see your name as my first data analysis. That is the name of the project, how we saved it in ACL. So the name is saved here as this. So you are fine now, you are good to get your data for your data analysis. We want to look at the other way in which you can also create projects in ACL using the AN11. So I have my AN11 here. I have it here. So here you see no open project. So from here you can also create your projects for your data analysis. Now we said earlier on that without any project created, there is no way you can do any data analysis in ACL. So if I go to file, you see most of the things are graded out. If I go to analysis, everything is graded out. If I go to file, new, I can't bring in any table, I can't do anything unless you create a project. So we want to see how you can create a project from here. Now you can create a project in your AN11 using two simple steps. The first one is by clicking on the plus button here and then you click on project to start creating your project, or you go to file, new, and then project. You still have this save as dialog again, so you have to browse to where you want to save your project. So which area or where do you want to save the project? Is it on your documents, your desktop, drive C, anywhere? Where do you want to save this project? So we want to save our project on our desktop in the same ACL data. There's a folder already here, my first ACL project. Let me just create a new project. I say my second project, then I click on open it, then I give it a name. I give the project a name. So my data analysis 2. So you click on save and then your project is also created. This is data definition wizard. This wizard helps you to bring in a table or helps you to access data into your ACL environment. So once this appears and then your name, your project name appears in your project navigator, means you have your project created. So for now you want to cancel the data access. We'll look at that in our next tutorial. Hope you did enjoy my tutorial. See you in the next tutorial on how to import data into your ACL project. Thank you.